Do you need a truck but want to go full electric? The Ford F-150 Lightning Flash makes it easier than ever. The best thing about Ford's full electric F-150 is that it is very much like a regular Ford F-150. It's got a standard crew cab and plenty of room for 5, as well as a 5.5-foot box in the back. Power comes from a pair of electric motors producing a peak output of 536 horsepower and 775 pound-feet of torque. With the extended range, 123 kilowatt-hour battery, this setup should get up to 300 miles per charge. Using a DC fast charger, it should go from about 15 to 80% in 40 minutes. The Lightning still uses the CCS port for charging, but it is compatible with NACS using an adapter available from Ford. This truck also has the optional ProPower 9.6 kilowatt upgrade in the bed, giving you all the power you need at your home or job site. You can also illuminate the back with the available LED lighting. With the towing package, you get all the gear you need for large loads, including a brake controller and upgraded cooling for the batteries. That pushes the Lightning's towing limit from 7,700 pounds all the way to 10,000 pounds. Inside, the second row gets USB-C power sockets and vents. Fold the seats up for a large amount of secured storage. Up front, there's a massive vertical infotainment system that's loaded with maps, music, and it even has wireless device integration for your Apple or Android device. Seats are wrapped in synthetic leather with power controls and heat. Convert the space into an office with the fold-down drive selector and a flip-out workspace. On the road, the Lightning is a joy to drive. Power comes on fast, very fast. This also has independent suspension on all 4 corners with coil springs in the rear. So not only is it quick, it's also very easy to drive. It tracks and drives very much like a crossover, but with the capability of a truck. It can even drive itself on geofenced highways with the included Blue Cruise hands-free system. When the road ends and the trail begins, the Lightning continues to deliver with an available rear locker, hill descent control, and 8.5 inches of ground clearance. The Ford Lightning Flash Edition delivers a lot of truck without breaking the bank. The fact that it's also all electric is just an added bonus. To learn more about the Ford Lightning Flash, visit your local AutoNation Ford dealer today.